7:45 in the morning, getting the day started. So we did the drive from Te Anau to Milford Sound. As you can see, it is pouring with rain. But look at this view, guys. Like, this is why we're doing this. Right there. This is misty, and this is the worst you're gonna ever see it. It's absolutely beautiful. So we rented a car, and so far we've been on the road for about an hour and a half. We've got about half an hour until we get to Milford Sound, which is listed as a World Heritage Site. So super psyched.
So hey guys, we just arrived in Milford Sound. Those are the cruises which we're gonna go on. There's the terminal behind, and this is the view. You can barely see the mountains in the clouds, but still amazing. Cześć mamo, buziaki dla Ciebie i do taty. Tato, wszystkiego najlepszego z okazji urodzin, spóźnione życzenia, nie miałem okazji. To dla Was, piękne view.
This is the Tasman Sea that we're on. You can see how rocky it is. The guy just said on the tannoy that normally it does 20 to 30 meters on a wave. So we're really lucky that this is as easy as it is. But it's absolutely beautiful. Greenery. As you can see, it stopped raining for a bit. Yay! But I'm not taking off the hat just yet. But no, I would strongly recommend it. I've just seen some seals. I'm still holding out to see some whales somewhere along the way. But if you ever get the chance, it is totally worth the hike.
Buziaki. Two years ago we did Inca Trail, and there we are once again.
This is not the Inca Trail, he's exaggerating. We're doing the Key Summit just outside Milford, except I am dying. It's so humid, it's raining, which is a good thing, but we're basically at top of the forest, and it's just an incline the entire time for the last hour. So it's supposed to only be 3 hours long. Fingers crossed, we are getting there. Yeah, there's still trees, so I'm not hopeful.
Neither do I, I'm not hopeful. I think she's looking for my life insurance.
Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Sungate, eat your heart out. It just appears that whenever we do a fancy hike, we don't seem to see anything. So whoever's up there has taken pity on us and given us just a little smattering of the view that you can see there. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my god. Oh wait. Yep. Okay, first trail of New Zealand done.
And we're still alive.
2 hours and 10 minutes. It's supposed to take 3 hours. It's supposed to take 3 hours, but we did it in 2 hours 10. I'm pretty sure I broke my little toe this morning. Lucas's fault. So I feel like a total badass. Anything else? So now we're gonna go into the car and we have 400 kilometers that we need to drive. We're right now on Naughty Elephant Squirts Water. So we're right now on the west coast and we're going over to the east coast. See you east side. A hotel room.